What is up, guys? So today we are at mine and my wife's favorite spot to eat right here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona, located on 4356 Thunderbird Road. It's called Eat and Go Mediterranean Cuisine, and today we are going to go inside and have a look and get some food and see what they got. I got drip for sale. I got drip for sale. So this is it right here, guys. This is Eat and Go. Fresh made desserts, baklava. This is my favorite one right here, for sure, by far, that one. These are also delicious. I'm just a huge pistachio fan, so anytime I see any handmade desserts. Favorites. I wasn't sure what this is called.
Yeah.
So this is
Jalebi, baby. Yeah.
And then what do you guys? How does it look like this in the end? What are you guys putting on it? Or?
Sorry, it's a syrup and herring. That one.
Oh wow. Alright, so what do we got back here? Oh wow. So this is where you guys roast everything to order.
This is beef kebab with the charcoal.
Delicious. So we are here again at Eat and Go in Phoenix, Arizona, off 43rd Avenue. And we're just hanging out. I just got my food order in, so everything should be up shortly. I am actually waiting. The owner, his name is Ali. He's the head chef here. This establishment is run by him and his wife. So he is actually hand making everything for me custom today so that I can try it out and share it with you guys. Now, the chef made me the most amazing falafel, completely changed the way that I ordered today. Instead of going with my typical lamb shank, I am switching it up. Oh, wow. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. So lunch is here, and just so you guys can see this, look at this, yo. This is that cabbage, that like pickled cabbage salad I was telling you about. This is that eggplant and roasted eggplant and tomatoes. This is their fresh herb tabbouleh. And this is some more eggplant here. And oh, we got that nice, beautiful, look at this, guys. Look at that, just so you guys can see here. Look at that beautiful roasted lamb shank. Packed full of flavor. I cannot wait to dive right into this. And for all of you here to look at this. Just look at this. So the owner just came, well, the owner's wife came, and she dropped us off some okra and lentil soup for us to try. This is the okra on my left, lentil on my right, but it probably it's almost too darn good to describe, but oh wow.
That's falafel with hummus.
Oh wow, thank you so much. Wow, you guys, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Just a beautiful falafel plate here with hummus. And this little girl here, she is the reason why I come back. Her and her sister are just the cutest things. They're always running the restaurant. They're always running around having fun. And it reminds me of when I was raised in the restaurant and I was their age. And my dad didn't have a babysitter or anything like that, so I would be with my grandparents at whatever restaurant they managed, and I would run around the dining room or whatever I did, satin colored, because back in the 90s we didn't have cell phones or anything, or any TikTok live, so I just sat there. nice little mix. Got all the flavors. Get a skewer. Everything that you get is going to be made on charcoal, and it's going to be made in a custom barbecue pit out back. That's like this crazy. Like, I've only seen these like back where he's from at home in YouTube videos, and even I told him, I said, "Now that reminds you of home, huh? This is the way you guys do it." He said, "Absolutely." This has been quite an experience today, guys. It's been more than welcoming. The hospitality here is through the roof. Like I said, Ali and his wife are whipping it up great here, and whoever else they got in the kitchen help with the helping hands. Okra soup. Now before this, I've only had fried okra, but this is the bomb. This is where it is at. And that's the thing that I like, is behind me, you see his wife. She's interacting with all the customers. She's dealing with them hands-on, making sure all their needs are met, making sure the place is clean. Oh, Mr. Ali, what is this?
Barbecue. This lamb tikka and chicken tikka.
You want to have a seat and have some lunch with me?
Yeah.
You ready? All right, guys, so this is Ali. Say hello. We're live on TikTok here. This one's going to be for the YouTube channel here.
Hi, how are you?
So, Ali, this is the reason why I keep coming back here. Number one is these girls. You guys have a beautiful family.
Thank you.
I always see you guys back there working hard in the kitchen every time my wife and I come and we dine or we take home. But this is some of the best, freshest Mediterranean food. And you just brought this to us. So just so you guys can see here, he brought us a fresh combo plate. So tell us a little bit about this place, Ali. How long have you guys been here? Where are you guys from?
Oh, yeah, almost a year.
Okay.
A year. Yeah.
And you guys, are you from?
From Iraq, Baghdad.
Iraq, Baghdad. Okay. And are these some of the recipes you grew up on as a child?
Yeah.
So you guys make this by hand every day?
Every day. Every day I make it fresh. It's veggie rice, eggplant soup, falafel, hummus, the best hummus here.
Yeah, this is very some of the best that I've ever had.
So creamy, so tasty, yeah.
I love the garlic flavor that comes through on it.
Yeah.
And this is, you said this is
I make this is the Iraqi bread. Is like pita bread, all day fresh.
nice. And how long have you been cooking in the kitchen?
Almost 12 years.
12 years.
12 years. Yeah.
Nice. And this is something you've always done with your family? You guys are doing something really great here, man. The food here is excellent. The hospitality is through the roof.
Yeah, and the appetizer fresh all day.
Yeah.
You know.
So far, these two are my favorites.
So hard work, but this taste is so good.
No, yeah, you can definitely tell that your food is made with a lot of love. It's made with a lot of passion, and you can tell that your heart goes into this.
Because I love my work. I love my work. I love they cook all day. Is they rice and soup, almost everything I make is fresh all day because I love they cook.
Yeah, and that's good. You don't have a lot of people nowadays that are as passionate or that try to keep true to their family's recipes and their roots, because a lot of times when people travel, and especially when they come to a new place like America, they tend to forget where they came from, and they try to fit in so much rather than being different. And showing people they can be different, and that's what you guys are doing here.
I show you the baklava. All they are making baklava. They sweet.
It's absolutely delicious. It's my favorite.
Yeah, I bring for you baklava. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So we got baklava coming next, guys. Look at this, you guys. So this is all of their handmade baklavas that they have in-house. I myself, I like these little rolled ones. They're Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Hot Sauce Henry. Come support a local business. Come down here, check them out. Make sure to order everything I ordered. If not, try something I didn't order. Try something new. Because either way, if you do or you don't, you're going to love it. Vegetarian, they got you. Vegan, they got you. Come on down, slide through.
You know this? We're making the all-dry jalebi that one.
The jalebi?
This is sweet ball, like donut, but different tip inside honey.
Oh, wow.
Try it.
So this is a sweet donut inside honey, and this is called jalebi underneath it. It's another dessert, a sweet donut dipped in honey, and then this jalebi spirals underneath. I love those. They're absolutely to die for. So it's getting kind of louder here now, guys. Business is picking up, so we'll check you guys out on the next one. Again, thanks for tuning in.